Email service on the Internet. Email is a method of sending and receiving digital messages over the Internet or other computer networks. It allows users to compose messages, attach files, and communicate with others using email addresses. Learning objectives. Internet. Email. Creating an email account. Accessing an email account. Working with your email account. Internet. Internet stands for Interconnected Network. It is a large network that connects millions of computers around the world. In other words, it is a network of networks, simply called the net. Nowadays, Internet has become an essential part of our lives. Using it, you can search information on any topic easily and quickly. You can also communicate with people sitting anywhere in the world, shop for the required things, transfer money, send emails or greetings, etc. on the Internet. Internet. History of the Internet. The concept of the Internet can be traced back to the 1960s when the United States Department of Defense's Advanced Research Projects Agency, ARPA, initiated the development of ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. The agency created a network of 4 computers with the aim to share information on research and development in the fields of science and technology. ARPANET was the first computer network that formed the basis of the Internet. Earlier, it was meant to be used by the scientists, engineers and computer experts at US universities and research institutes only. Later, DoD allowed other countries to join the network for sharing resources. Gradually, it grew bigger and became accessible to general public around the world. The outcome of this growth is the present-day Internet. Bonus content. Subject enrichment. ARPANET was started with 1 computer in California and 3 in Utah. Types of Internet connections. An Internet connection refers to the link that allows devices, such as computers, smartphones, tablets, or other network-enabled devices, to connect to the Internet. There are various types of Internet connections, each with its own technology, speed, and characteristics. Let us study about some of them. Dial-up connection. Dial-up is an older and slower form of Internet connection that uses a standard telephone line and a modem to establish a connection. It is less common today due to its slow speeds and the availability of faster alternatives. DSL, Digital Subscriber Line connection. DSL is a broadband Internet connection that uses existing telephone lines but allows simultaneous use of the line for voice calls and Internet access. DSL can provide higher speeds than dial-up. Fiber optic Internet. Fiber optic Internet uses optical fibers made of glass or plastic to transmit data as pulses of light. It provides very high-speed Internet as compared to the other types of connections. Satellite Internet. Satellite Internet connects users to the Internet via satellite signals. It is particularly useful in remote or rural areas where other types of Internet connections may be limited. Mobile broadband. Mobile broadband refers to Internet access using 4G or 5G mobile networks. It is commonly used on smartphones and tablets. These devices have built-in cellular modems or radios that allow them to connect to mobile networks and access the Internet. This type of connection is convenient for users on the go but may have data usage limitations. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi, or wireless fidelity, allows devices to connect to the Internet wirelessly using radio signals. It allows computers, smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices to access the Internet without the need for physical cables. It is commonly used in homes, offices, and public spaces. Tethering. Tethering refers to the practice of using a mobile device, such as a smartphone or tablet, as a modem or router to share its mobile data connection with other devices, allowing them to access the Internet. This can be done using various connectivity options, including USB, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot. Email. Email, or electronic mail, is a process of exchanging messages electronically between people via electronic devices such as computers, smartphones, and tablets. It is one of the most popular means of communication on the internet. Email allows consumers to communicate with each other in less time and at a lower cost. You can use email to send text messages, documents, images, or videos. Email address. To send an email, you need the recipient's email address. An email address typically consists of two parts: the local part, username, and the domain, separated by symbol. Email addresses uniquely identify each user on the email system. For example, Swati123 gmail.com is an email address where Swati123 is the username and gmail.com is the name of the mail server. Domain name. An email address can only have letters, numbers, and periods. Although an email address is not case sensitive, it is convenient to use lowercase letters. Bonus content. Subject enrichment. The first email was sent by Ray Tomlinson in 1971. He is credited with inventing email and implementing the use of the symbol to separate the user's name from the computer name in an email address. Email client and server. An email client is a software application or web-based service that allows you to send, receive, and manage emails. Examples of email clients include Microsoft Outlook, Mozilla Thunderbird, Apple Mail, and web-based services like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Outlook.com. Emails are sent and received through email servers. These servers are responsible for accepting, storing, and forwarding email messages. They are crucial components of the email system. Bonus content. Subject enrichment. Web-based email services, such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Outlook, allow users to access their emails through a web browser without installing a dedicated email client. Advantages of email. Email offers numerous advantages for communication in both personal and professional settings. Here are some of the key advantages of using email. Paid. Email allows for nearly instant communication, delivering messages to recipients within seconds or minutes. Cost-effective. Users can send messages to multiple recipients at no additional cost. Convenience. Users can send and receive emails at any time, 24/7, making it a convenient way to communicate, even across different time zones. Asynchronous communication. Email is asynchronous, meaning that recipients can read and respond to messages at their convenience. Attachments. Users can attach files, documents, images, or other media to their emails. Spam filtering. Email services often include spam filters to automatically identify and filter out unwanted or malicious emails, enhancing the overall security of communication. Accessibility. Email can be accessed from various devices, including computers, smartphones, and tablets, providing flexibility in how and where users can check their messages. Storage. Email services often provide sufficient storage space for emails and attachments, reducing the need to delete old messages frequently. Notification and alerts. Users can set up notifications and alerts to be notified when new emails arrive. This feature ensures that important messages are not overlooked. Creating an email account. An email account is a digital identity or address that allows individuals to send, receive, and manage electronic messages via email. To create an email account on Gmail, follow these steps. Step 1. Open any web browser, say, Google Chrome, and type www.gmail.com in the address bar of the browser window and press the Enter key. Address bar of Google Chrome. Step 2. Click the Create Account button. A list of options appears. Step 3. Select the desired option. We have chosen the For My Personal Use option. Click Next. Enter the URL of email client and press the Enter key. Click the Create Account button. Create Account button. Create Account options. Click the desired option. Step 4. Enter your first name and last name in the respective text boxes, and click the Next button. Step 5. Enter your birthday and gender, and click the Next button. Entering full name. Entering birthday and gender. Step 6. Enter the username in the text box and click the Next button. Step 7. Create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols, and click the Next button. Do not share your password with anyone. Choosing an email address. Creating a password. Step 8. Enter a recovery email, if needed. Step 9. Click the Next button. Alternatively, click the Skip button if you want to skip this step. Step 10. Enter a phone number. Click Next. Alternatively, click Skip if you want to skip this step. Choosing an email address. Creating a password. Click Skip if you do not want to add any recovery email. Entering recovery email. Click Skip if you do not want to enter any phone number. Entering recovery email. Step 11. Your email account is created. Click the Next button. The Terms and Conditions page appears. Step 12. Read terms and conditions carefully and click I agree button. Email address created. Terms and Conditions page. Your Gmail workspace opens up. Now, you can compose new emails and send and receive emails. Compose button. Inbox folder. Sent folder. Gmail workspace. Accessing an email account. Once you have created an email account, you can access it by logging into your account. For this, follow these steps. Step 1. Open any web browser. Type www.gmail.com in the address bar of the browser window and press the Enter key. The sign-in page of Google appears. Step 2. Enter your email address in the email or phone text box, and click Next. Step 3. Type your password and click Next. Your Gmail workspace opens up. Sign-in page of Gmail. Entering password. Working with your email account. Once you have created an email account, you can compose and send an email. You can also open and read the received emails. You can even attach files with your email and send them to the recipient. Composing and sending emails. To compose and send an email on Gmail, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Compose button on the left side of the email window. The new message window appears at the bottom right side of the screen. New message window. Step 2. Type the email address of the recipient into box. If you want to send this message to 2 or more people at one go, click CC, carbon copy, or BCC, blind carbon copy, in the top right corner. The respective boxes will appear. Step 3. Type a short description of the message in the subject text box. Step 4. Type your message in the message area. Composing an email. Important note. Every recipient will be able to see the email addresses you type in the to and CC text boxes. The email addresses you add to the BCC text box will not be visible to any other recipients. Step 5. Click the Send button. The email is immediately sent to the specified addresses and a message is displayed informing that your mail has been sent. A copy of your sent mail is always saved in the Sent folder. Viewing and opening emails. The inbox is the primary folder in an email account where the incoming emails are received and stored. When you click Inbox, it displays the list of received emails along with the other important information. To open a received email, simply click on the name of the sender or the subject. Viewing emails. Opened email. Attaching files to emails. Sometimes, you may need to send files such as pictures, audio files, or other documents along with the text message through emails. This can be accomplished by attaching the files to your text message. The file you attach to the message is known as an attachment. To attach files with your email, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Compose button on the left side of the Gmail window. The new message window appears. Step 2. Type the recipient's email address, subject of message, and text message in the respective boxes. Step 3. Click the Attach Files icon at the bottom of the new message window. The open dialog box appears. Step 4. Locate and select the file to be attached and click the Open button. The selected file gets attached with the email. Repeat steps 3 and 4 to attach more files. Open dialog box. File attached. Step 5. Click the Send button to send the email with attachments. Trash and spam folders. The trash folder and the spam folder are two common folders found in email accounts. They serve different purposes in managing and organizing emails. When you delete an email from your inbox or other folders, it is typically moved to the trash folder. It remains there for 30 days. Emails that are classified as spam or junk are automatically moved to the spam folder instead of the inbox. The spam folder helps protect your inbox from unwanted and potentially harmful emails. Logging out of your email account. The process of exiting from an email account is known as logging out or signing out. Signing out is important as it prevents any possible misuse of your account. To sign out of an account, click the username icon on the top right corner of the email window and then click Sign. For the teacher, teach about different type of internet connections to the students. Tell them which type of internet connection is there in the computer lab. Introduce the concept of email to the students. Talk about the advantages of email. Demonstrate to students how to create and access an email account. Tell the steps to view and send an email, with BCC, CC, and attachments. Let us revise. Internet stands for Interconnected Network. It is a large network that connects millions of computers around the world. There are various types of internet connections, namely, dial-up, DSL, fiber optic internet, satellite internet, mobile broadband, Wi-Fi, and tethering. Email, or electronic mail, is a process of exchanging messages electronically between people via electronic devices such as computers, smartphones, and tablets. An email address typically consists of two parts: the username and the domain name, separated by symbol. An email client is a software application or web-based service that allows you to send, receive, and manage emails. The email servers are responsible for accepting, storing, and forwarding email messages. An email account is a digital identity or address that allows individuals to send, receive, and manage electronic messages via email. The inbox is the primary folder in an email account where the incoming emails are received and stored.